Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see what type of membership you have at Costco. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and see if you're an executive member so that you have time to actually access Costco earlier. How do you actually go ahead and see what type of membership you have? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to hop onto the Costco app. Then on the bottom hand corner where it says account, click on account. Now right away, you're going to see that it says executive member. So right now we have some blurred information here, but that's essentially going to go ahead and verify what type of membership that you have. If you want to find further details, what you can do next is that you can go ahead and scroll down. And under where it says membership, you can click on digital membership card. And again, this is going to verify that you are an executive member or some sort of other member on Costco. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see what type of membership you have at Costco. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.